Hi friends, today we see polynomial class ninth chapter number 3. In previous lecture we see practice set 3.4. Today we see practice set 3.5. For this we first teach remainder theorem and factor theorem. Okay, what is remainder theorem and what is factor theorem, and we solve the problem based on the remainder theorem and factor theorem. Okay. Now let us see remainder theorem. Okay. What is remainder theorem? When Px is a polynomial, Px is any polynomial divided by polynomial P of x plus a, then the remainder is P of minus a. Then remainder is P of minus a. When Px is divided by P of x plus a, remainder is P of minus a. Okay. That means the remainder, the divisor, our divisor polynomial here a plus a, and we put in polynomial p of x minus a, then we get the answer, we get remainder. This is called remainder theorem. Okay, that means that when px is divided by p of x plus a, our remainder is p of minus a. It means is same as the value of polynomial px for value of p of minus a. Okay, when we divide px is divided by p of x minus a, then our remainder is, suppose when px is divided by p of x plus a, then our remainder is p of minus a. And when we divide polynomial px by polynomial x minus a, then our remainder is p of a. That means we put the value of a as the place in the place of value of x in polynomial, then we get directly the remainder. Okay, this is called remainder theorem. We explain this by taking the example. Suppose our polynomial px is 4x square plus x minus 1. Sorry, 4x square minus x plus 2. This is our polynomial 4x square minus x plus 2, and we divide this polynomial by x plus 1. Divisor polynomial x plus 1. Divide this polynomial by synthetic division. Write first coefficient 4 minus 1 2, and here taking the opposite of x plus 1, it is minus 1. Write 4 as it is. 4 ones are 4 minus 4, minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, minus 5 minus 1 plus 5, 5 plus 2 7, means 7 is our remainder. Remainder of this polynomial, when 4x square minus x plus 2 divided by x plus 1, our remainder is 7. Okay, we can prove this remainder by using remainder theorem. Here x plus 1, hence we put here p of minus a. Put value of x minus 1 in this polynomial. 4 into minus 1 square minus minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 square 1. 4 into 1 4. Minus minus plus 1 plus 2. 4 plus 1 plus 2. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 2 7. Okay. We get the same answer, remainder 7. This is called remainder theorem. Means we put the value of x is equal to minus 1 in our given polynomial, dividend polynomial. Then we get directly the remainder. This is called the remainder theorem. Okay. Now the second one is factor theorem. What is a factor theorem? Factor theorem. If px is a polynomial and px is divided by x plus a and p of minus a is equal to 0, then x plus a is a factor of p of x. Means when px is divided by x plus a and p of minus a is equal to 0, and when px is divided by x minus a and p of a is equal to 0, then this we call this is a factor of px. Means here p of minus a is equal to 0 means our remainder is 0. Remainder 0, that means we say that this is a factor of px. X plus a is a factor of px. And when p of a is equal to 0 means when the remainder is 0, then we can say that x minus a is a factor of p of x. This is called factor theorem. When remainder is 0, then we say that this dividend is factor of this divisor is factor of this dividend. Okay, this is a factor theorem. This is called a factor theorem. Now we see the examples. Okay, practice set 3.5. We see now practice set 3.5. Question first, find the value of polynomial. Given polynomial 2x minus 2x cube plus 7. This is our given polynomial 2x minus 2x cube plus 7, and you find the value of x. For the find value of x when x is equal to 3. Find the value of polynomial, not x. Find the value of polynomial when x is equal to 3. That means p of 3 is equal to, put the value of x is equal to 3 in this given polynomial. 2 into 3 minus 2 into 3 cube plus 7. 2 3 is 6 minus 2 into 3 cube. 3 3 is 9. 9 3 is 27. 27 2 is 54 plus 7. 6 minus 54 plus 7. 6 plus 7 13. 13 minus 54 is equal to minus 41. Okay, very easy. Our given polynomial px is equal to 2x minus 2x cube plus 7, and we have given here x is equal to 3. Put the value of x is equal to 3 in given polynomial and find the value of p of 3, which is minus 41. Okay, value is minus 41. Now find for 2x minus 2x cube plus 7 when x is equal to minus 1. Now put the value of x is equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 into minus 1 cube plus 7. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 cube minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2 plus 7. Okay. 2 into minus 1 minus 2. Here 2 minus 2 into minus 1 cube minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2. Minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, and here plus 7. 2 minus 2 0. And our answer is 7. Okay. Now for x is equal to 0, p of 0 is equal to 2 into 0 minus 2 into 0 cube plus 7. 2 into 0 0. 2 into 0 0 plus 7. Our answer is 7. Okay. Our answer is 7. Now we see the next second question. Question number 2. When px is equal to x cube, our polynomial is only x cube, and we find p of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 cube is equal to 1. Now we find p of 2. P of 2 is equal to, p of minus 2 cube. Minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 4 into 2, 8. But here cube, minus minus minus, 3 times minus, hence our answer is minus 8. P of 0, 0 cube. 0 cube is 0. Okay. This is the value of P1, P minus 2 and P of 0. Question number 2. Okay. Now we see the second example from question number 2. P of y is equal to y square minus 2y plus 5. And we find P of 1. P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 5. 1 minus 2 plus 5. 1 minus 2 plus 5. 1 plus 5, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Our answer is equal to 4. Okay. Now find P of 0. Y square minus 2y plus 5. Find P of 0. 0 square minus 2 into 0 plus 5. 0 minus 0 plus 5. Our answer is 5. Okay. Very easy. Understand friends? Very easy topic which is. Now question number 3. If the value of polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a is 12. If value of this polynomial is 12, for m is equal to 2, find the value of a. For m is equal to 2, value of this polynomial is 12. This is given. Now we find the value of a. Our Pm is m cube plus 2m plus a, and our P of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus a. P of 2. What is the value of P of 2? 12. 12 is equal to 2 cube 8 plus 4 plus 8. Okay. 12 is equal to 8 plus 4, 12 plus 8. 12, take this 12 this side, 12 minus 12, 0, means a is equal to 0. For this polynomial m cube plus 2m plus a, value of a is equal to 0. Understand? Value of a is 0. Okay. Now we see the next question. If the polynomial y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus m, this is given polynomial, is divided by y plus 2. This is a divisor. Then remainder is 50. Find the value of m. We find the value of m. Here remainder is given, divisor is given, polynomial py is given, and we find pm. Okay. Divisor is y plus 2. Hence p of minus 2 is equal to 50. That is remainder is given here. Okay. Now we put the value of y is equal to minus 2 in given polynomial. Minus 2 cube minus 5 into minus 2 square plus 7 into minus 2 plus m. Okay. Plus m is equal to p of minus 2 is equal to what? 50 is equal to 50. Minus 2 cube minus 8 minus 2 square 4 plus 4 plus 4 minus 5 minus 20 plus 7 minus 2 minus 12 plus m is equal to 50. Okay. Minus 8 minus 20 minus 28 minus 28 minus 14 minus 42 plus m is equal to 50. M is equal to, now take this minus 42 this side plus 42, 50 plus 42, what is 92. M is equal to 92. What is our problem? We have given here polynomial py, we have given divisor and remainder p of minus 2 is equal to 50, and we find the value of m by using remainder theorem. Okay, by using the remainder theorem. Very easy. Okay. Now see the next question. Use the factor theorem to determine whether x plus 3 is factor of x square. Our polynomial is x square plus 2x minus 3 or not. Means x plus 3 is a factor or not for this polynomial. You can find this. Our polynomial is p of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 3, and our divisor is x plus 3. We find p of minus 3 by using the factor theorem. To find the factor theorem, we use use here remainder theorem. P of minus 3 square plus 2 into minus 3 minus 3. Okay, minus 3 square 9, 3 to the minus 6 minus 3. 9 minus 3, 6, 3 minus 3, 0. Means P of minus 3 is equal to 0, which is means that by factor theorem, P of minus 3 is equal to 0 means P x plus 3 is factor of our given polynomial. P of x plus 3 is the factor of our polynomial. Okay, understand? This is a from practice set 3.5, chapter number 3, polynomial. In previous lecture we see all the practice set 3.1, 2, 3, 4 and now today we see 3.5. In next lecture we see practice set 3.6. Understand? If you like my videos, please like it and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to give the new updates of my videos. Okay friends, bye.